Hey there, I'm HVAC repair guy. I've spent over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor. Plus, I was a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today, we are taking a look at two basic single-stage heat pump systems to help you figure out which one belongs at your house: the Direct Comfort GSZH5 and the NS17H. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, both units come equipped with louvered coil protection. Those metal louvers shield the delicate outdoor coils from yard debris, stray hail, and kids playing nearby. When it comes to sound dampening built into the cabinet, the NS17H includes a compressor sound blanket right out of the box. The Direct Comfort GSZH5 does not come with a compressor sound blanket included. The HSPF rating measures how efficiently a heat pump warms your home over the winter season. The Direct Comfort GSZH5 has an HSPF of 7.8. The NS17H sits a bit higher at an HSPF of 8.1. A higher HSPF means the unit extracts heat from the outside air more efficiently and can lower electric bills in colder months. Since these are heat pumps, they also provide cooling in the summer, operating just like a standard
air conditioner when the weather warms up. Under the hood, both of these models are standard entry-level systems. They run on a single-stage, all-or-nothing design. When they turn on, they run at 100% capacity until the thermostat is satisfied, then turn off. Single-stage systems don't offer ultra-precise humidity control or whisper-quiet lower stages of a variable speed unit, but they are simple, proven, and easier to service. The Direct Comfort GSZH5 is manufactured in the USA under the Daikin and Goodman brand umbrella. The NS17H is manufactured in China. The Direct Comfort GSZH5 condenser sits at around $2,500 for equipment alone and $3,950 to $4,500 for a full equipment package.
Typical installed cost for the Direct Comfort system ranges between $6,850 and $8,500 depending on tonnage
and local labor rates. The NS17H carries a higher, standalone outdoor unit MSRP of around $4,127. Complete installed system pricing for the GE tends to run between $8,500 and $10,500 plus, depending on options. Both units come with a 10-year standard parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. Neither unit includes a unit replacement warranty. My honest recommendation is the Direct Comfort GSZH5. While the NS17H offers a slightly higher 8.1 HSPF and a factory sound blanket, the Direct Comfort delivers nearly identical core single-stage performance and solid American manufacturing at a significantly lower installed cost. That is how you shop like a pro.